Your Frigidaire Induction Cooktop provides fast, easy, and consistent results. We'll help you understand the burners and elements on your cooktop. There are many benefits to cooking with induction. Because induction works by heating the cookware and not the cooktop, spills don't cook or stick to the surface, making it easy to clean and maintain. The cooktop itself stays cooler than a conventional cooktop. Because induction creates heat directly in the pan, it uses less electricity than a conventional cooktop. Before using the burners and elements, ensure your cookware is induction compatible. The Induction Cooktop offers many features for creating yummy meals. The cooking zone indicator will show the setting for the cooking zone you are using. Place cookware on the cooking zone and press the on-off key to begin or finish cooking. Slide a finger across or press a number to set the power level. The levels range from low to high, or 1 to 9. P is the most powerful setting. Note, the max power setting will only remain active for 10 minutes before returning to level 9. Press lock to prevent accidental activation of cooking zones. The Templock control feature monitors heat and adjusts the power to maintain a consistent temperature during cooking. When cool batter, liquid, or food is added to a hot pan, the pan cools down. Templock senses this change and uses extra power to maintain the desired temperature setting. The feature also lets you know when your cookware is preheated, so making pancakes or sautéing fresh food has better results. Press the Templock control to activate or deactivate this function. When in use, the indicator will turn red. Press a number key to select one of the 9 preset cooking levels. While the cooking zone is heating, the square above the indicator will blink. When the temperature is reached, the square will stay lit. Change the setting at any time by pressing another number key. The hot surface indicator shows if the cooking zone is off, but still hot. Now let's use the Serve Warm function. When Serve Warm is activated, the cooking zones are set to a low power level to keep foods warm. Press the Serve Warm indicator. The indicator will turn red. Adjust the timer as needed. The Bridge function allows the 2 left cooking zones to work together, enabling you to use larger cookware, like a griddle. Touch the Bridge indicator to activate the Bridge function. The Bridge indicator will turn red. The Cook Zone indicator for the other Bridge cook zone will also turn red. And the cook zone setting for both of the bridged zones will match. The setting controls for the front left zone will control both of the bridged zones as long as the Bridge function is active. Some models include a timer indicator that shows the cooking time currently left. To activate this feature, press On/Off to turn the countdown timer on or off. Press the plus key to increase the amount of time on the timer. Press the minus key to reduce the amount of time on the timer. To learn more about your induction cooktop, reference your use and care manual or visit www.frigidaire.com.